Tools. Why do you need them and how can they help you sell successfully on Amazon? All the information about two of my favorite tools in this video. Let's get started. So I want to talk about two tools that you can use when you are not only selling on Amazon, but most importantly, searching for products to sell on Amazon, which is obviously one of the hardest things to do because choosing a product to sell on Amazon, that's a very hard task for anyone that's starting out. I'm going to be talking about Helium 10 as well as Amazon Seller System, two very simple tools for you to use no matter what level you are at when it comes to selling on Amazon. Before I get started, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We help small businesses sell successfully on Amazon, primarily in the Middle East. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you never miss any video that we put out and you like this video as well. Now, let's get started with tool number one, and that's Helium 10.
And so we're bringing back Crystal to the show. How's it going?
Hey, Bradley, how's everything? Just to preface, we had a meetup. For anyone who doesn't know, we had an in-person meetup in December of 2021. And you were there in Dubai and everybody kept asking you, so when is Helium 10 going to be available for the Middle East and notably mostly in the UAE? And you kept on saying, well, in a few months. You didn't really give a number, but you were saying in a few months and everybody was really excited. And then a couple of months rolled by and I started getting messages like Bradley said it's going to be a few months.
Yeah.
And then fast forward to today and we're here. Perfect. Very excited.
So as you saw, that was a small excerpt from my interview on Bradley's podcast, Serious Sellers podcast, which is Helium 10's podcast. And we were talking about selling on Amazon in the Middle East. I will leave the link of that podcast in the description box of this video, so you can go ahead and watch it. Helium 10 currently operates in the following markets and lots of features. I'm going to be focusing on two main features, Black Box as well as X-Ray, which you can use also in the Chrome drop-down extension. So I'm on Amazon in the Middle East, in the UAE in particular, and let's start with using X-Ray. I want to search for a product. I'm going to look for kitchen organizers and try to see how much demand there is for these types of products or even for this type of keyword. So I'm going to use the drop-down extension, which you find, it's a Chrome extension basically. And right now I'm X-raying the whole website in order to figure out what the demand is for kitchen organizers, that particular keyword. Now, once I have all of the information and details and I can see all of the details of each and every seller, whether they are advertising or they are organically ranked for that keyword, I can see exactly how many units they're selling. I can see their sales graph and try to analyze their history, their revenue, their current BSR, what their FBA fees are, and a lot of other details such as how many sellers are on the listing, ratings, how many images, everything that you need without actually having to go into each and every listing. But I can also use X-Ray on a particular product if I really like that product and I want to sell something very, very, very similar to this product. Let's take this one as an example. So I logged into it, I clicked on X-Ray again, and now I can see all of the details that are in particular for this particular product. So the reason behind using X-Ray is basically to spy on your competitors and see their results, what they're doing, and try to analyze if this is a product that you would like to sell. Now, another way of doing product research is by using the feature Black Box from Helium 10. So you'll find it in the tools dashboard in Helium 10, Black Box. And just basically choose the market that you want to sell in. In this case, I'm going to choose the UAE. And you can use Black Box to search for products, keywords, competitors, niche, product targeting, and some elite analytics. I normally like to use it for keywords, but let's also try to use it for products. So let's try to search for products that are in demand according to what criteria you want. So let's just simply filter some things. I'm going to choose the home category. And I'm only going to filter based on, there's a lot of things that you can do.
You can decide based on review, based on BSR, based on selling prices, monthly revenue. You could choose whatever is right for you. In this case, I'm just going to choose BSR. So I want a maximum BSR of 500. I don't want any product that has higher BSR than 500. And click search. And here we go. You can categorize them, which is most important for you. So if monthly sales is most important for you or monthly revenue is most important for you, then you can click and make sure that you have highest to lowest. But this is how it goes. You can see all of the details and all of the information. So this is a simple tool to help you analyze Amazon without having to actually log in manually to Amazon. So maybe you wouldn't have seen these towels or this spin mop bucket set and bucket set. Maybe you wouldn't have even considered selling these products. However, this spin mop and bucket set has a BSR of 15 and it's selling almost 285 units per month and it's up by 54%. And it's only a mop and bucket, and it has a 3.6 star rating, which means this is an incredible product to sell. The selling price is a little bit low at 46 dirhams, but this is a really, really good product to look into and see why there's so much demand for a mop and a bucket.
Of course, you can use also the following coupon codes or promo codes, if you want to get a really good discount on Helium 10. You'll find also the links, direct links in the description box of the video. Tool number 2, Amazon Seller System, which operates in the following markets, still not available in the Middle East, but hopefully soon. This tool was developed by Boutros Said, who's an e-commerce expert and longtime Amazon seller based in Germany, living right now in the UAE. Amazon Seller System has almost 14 features, such an incredible tool. Of course, we also have a great coupon code and discount for you, but you can still use Amazon Seller System for 7 days free, so you can test it out. I would highly recommend that you use it if you are selling in Germany or in the US. Very strong markets, and it's gonna give you a lot of great information as well. Let me show you my favorite features and how I would use Amazon Seller System.
Incredible features that you can find with Amazon Seller System. And also they have information and training information in German, English, and in Arabic as well. So if you're an Arabic speaker, it'll be easier. So they have a lot of features. One feature that I would highly recommend that you check out, it's the trending product. So one very, very tough thing when you want to search for products on Amazon or think about selling products on Amazon is just like the sheer amount of products that you can actually sell. So this trending products feature basically showcases Amazon top 100 most gifted products, as well as any product that has an increasing sales trend, as well as a product that has less than 30 reviews. So basically an ideal product to launch, especially if you are starting out. And it is renewed on an hourly basis, which is absolutely wonderful. So as you can see some products such as this tap by Villeroy and Boch. You don't have to actually sell the same thing, but you can sell a tap. You can see what's happening for other products as well. All different types of products, nothing specific to a category. However, you can look and see which ones spark your interest. You can see exactly what's happening, what the price is, what the BSR is. You can see the incredible sales history. You can see the monthly sales, monthly revenue, star rating, what the size of the product is, because as you know, this is very important to note as an Amazon seller, because you don't want to be selling very large products, as well as the number of reviews. So basically, these types of products are products that that are interesting for you to sell and easy for you to compete on. And of course, you can find this feature operating on all of the marketplaces where Amazon Seller System operates. You can also find AMZ research. You can also download the Chrome extension so that you can use it on Amazon while you are doing your product research. They have a great feature which is called Product Validator, where you can work with the Amazon Seller System team and they can validate your ideas for you and see exactly if your product
by providing you a report card, see exactly if your product can be successful, yes or no. If you would like to be part of the Amazon Sellers Society universe, of course, we have a membership where we can help you learn how to sell on Amazon focused on the Middle East. You can simply join by going to our website and learn a little bit more information about it. You can also work with us directly through our Done For You service program. If you want us to help you launch your business on Amazon in the UAE or KSA, just reach out to our team and book a consultation call. Again, I will leave all of the links in the description box of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, make sure that you like and you subscribe to the channel, as well as leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another video with more information. Bye.